Good morning. Do you like animals? Do you know how to count these animals in Chinese? Today, let's continue to learn Chinese quantifier and the names of animals. Chinese, we have 3 common quantifier words for animals. 只头皮 When we count small animals, we always use 只. Before we start to learn these 3 words, we need to know the E is very special here. In last lesson, I said we should read E instead of E when it's before the character with the 4th tone. And sometimes we should say E instead of E when the following character is 1st tone, 2nd tone, and 3rd tone. For example, we can say 一只 because 只 is the 1st tone, right? So we say 一只 and 一头 头 is the 2nd tone. 一头 and 一皮 is the 3rd tone. Be careful. So be careful. Instead of saying 一, we have to say 一 when the following character is 1st tone, 2nd tone, or 3rd tone. Okay, so when should we use 只 and when should we use 头 and when should we use 皮? Let's learn together. Usually, 只 can be used before some small animals. For example, a dog. We can say 一只狗一只狗一只狗 A cat 一只猫一只猫一只猫 A rabbit 一只兔子一只兔子一只兔子 A monkey 一只猴子一只猴子一只猴子 And how about 头? 只 is for the small animals and 头 is for the big animals. For example, an elephant 一头大象一头大象一头大象 A sheep 一头羊一头羊一头羊 A cow 一头牛一头牛一头牛 A pig in Chinese. Maybe you will ask me. Sometimes the book it says it's 一只猪 and sometimes it's 一头猪. It's really confusing. What's the difference between 一只猪 and 一头猪? Of course, it all depends on the size, right? When the little pig grows up and becomes to a big pig, so it's from 一只猪 becomes to 一头猪. Because I said 只 for the small animals and the 头 for the big animals. Sometimes even the small elephant is big, right? And sometimes even it's an older cat, but still small. Okay, the last quantifier today. 皮 Maybe you will say, the horse horse is so big. Why we don't say 一头马, but we have to say 一匹马? Well, it's a known story. First of all, people in ancient times said horses, 马匹, 马匹, and then they directly used horses as the measurement unit of horses. 匹, 匹. So, I can say 匹 is really, really special. And also 一匹 means about 33 meters. Well, it's not that complicated. Just remember when you want to use 匹 just for the horse. Okay, 一匹马, 一匹马, because of the known story. Thank you for watching today. I hope you can continue to support me. And also, if you have any questions, you can leave your comments. Don't forget to use these 3 quantifier words to make some examples. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.